Alright everybody, Robert here again with another unboxing, and today is probably gonna be the shortest unboxing I'm gonna do. So today I recently got this little RAM stick for myself. It's Adata Premier DDR5 RAM, and it's basically the cheapest DDR5 16GB sticks that's for sale here, and that's why I got it, because the way I see it is that right now DDR5, the fast stuff is still expensive. The slow stuff like this is not that expensive anymore. So the way I see it is, it doesn't make any sense right now to buy the fast stuff. So I decided to get the slow stuff. This is 4800 megahertz CL40, so pretty much the lowest end DDR5 you can buy right now. It only costs right now 70 euros per stick, so about 140 euros for 32 gigabytes, which I'm gonna go because while I already have one of these sticks in my computer, so I'm gonna plug this in as well. So now I have 32. This is a little bit of an upgrade I'm doing. So yeah, very simple packaging. As you can see, there's nothing here. It's just a plastic package, nothing at all basically. This is Adata Premier. I think, don't quote me on this, but I think the one who actually makes those RAM dies or whatever they are, you know, they RAM chips themselves. I think it's Micron, but I'm not sure. Adata doesn't make the chips themselves. So this is right now the cheapest way to get single stick 16, or if you want 32. So very good for that. If you want fast RAM, not so good. But yeah, let me just open this up. So as you can see, it has this sort of label, protective label. So I'm gonna just cut it with some scissors. There. So now we can, as you can see, it's a little bit of label, a little bit of sticker. So now we can see, open it up and look at the stick itself. So it's still quite tight there. So yeah, I think I'm getting it off. So yeah, there's the stick. As you can see, it's just a black PCB. It looks very similar to Crucial memory as well, those black PCBs, so probably is made by Micron, but again, I'm not sure. I tried to put a little research, I couldn't exactly find. I'm sure somebody knows who makes these. There's that. There's the serial number, etc. Not sure, can I show it or not? There's nothing in the back, it's just a simple stick. Yeah. So I'm gonna plug one of these into my computer. Now I have 32 gigabytes and finally dual channel as well. And I don't know about you, but at least if Adata Premier is cheapest DDR5 also in your country, maybe you should get it. Now it's 48 megahertz, but when I went to BIOS, it said it could go up to 5200 megahertz. But I found someone in Reddit saying they tried to do that and it was unstable. So most likely you are gonna have to limit yourself to 4800. Even though the BIOS, you can plug it into 5200, but most likely it's gonna crash. So keep that in mind. But yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Let me in the comments if anybody, if you there is gonna get one of these. I don't know. Is that label? I'm not sure. Can you see it? But that label, you know, has a little bit of scratch. Actually, both of those parts have scratches. There's no way I caused that. I think so. Hopefully that's not a sign to come. Probably there by stock. I don't know. Anyway, thank you for watching. Tell me if you're gonna get something, or what RAM do you recommend? Personally, most likely in about 4 years, when the fast stuff becomes inexpensive, I'm gonna sell my current RAM. I'll probably, for example, right now it's 140 to get slow RAM DDR, 32GB DDR5. But in the future, you probably will be able to get for 140 euros fast stuff DDR5. So I'll probably sell these and then probably get something like 7 euros for them. But anyway, that's beside the point. Thank you for watching. I'm going a little bit too long here. And hey, do you like the way I did this now that the camera's not shaking all the time? Anyway, see you later.